Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of endless job hunting? Feeling overwhelmed by countless job portals? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the best job portals that can supercharge your job search and get you one step closer to your dream career. Let's get started. Let's start with the heavy hitters. These platforms are the most popular and have millions of job listings and users. Indeed is the world's largest job site, with over 250 million unique visitors every month and millions of job postings. LinkedIn. With over 900 million users, LinkedIn is not just a job portal, but a professional networking platform, making it perfect for both job searching and career networking. Glassdoor stands out for its in-depth company reviews and salary information, making it a valuable tool for researching potential employers. Monster has been a leader in online job search since 1994, offering a wide range of jobs across various industries. CareerBuilder combines job listings with powerful AI tools to match job seekers with the best opportunities. Wait, what if you're looking for something more specialized? Whether you're into tech, remote work, or freelance gigs, there's a portal for you. FlexJobs, best for remote work. Angelist for startups. Dice Tech Jobs. Behance Creative Jobs. Let's move on to another excellent job portals you should consider. Shine. Quikar Jobs. Upwork. Foundit. Google Jobs. Cut Short. Jobs for Work India Solutions. Placement India. Internshala. Hirect. Apna. Jobaj. With so many options, how do you choose the right one? Here are a few tips. Identify your industry. Use industry-specific portals like Dice for tech or Behance for creative jobs. Consider your career-level platforms like LinkedIn cater to all levels, while others might be more focused. Look for additional features. Portals like Glassdoor offer company reviews, while FlexJobs focuses on remote work. Shine. These platforms offer the tools you need to succeed in the modern job market. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button.
Please subscribe the channel.
Comment below with your favorite job portal and let us know what works best for you.